Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Wcoin listing date postponed to February 25th. Get ready for the Wcoin vouchers pre-market and more. Article: Wcoin ecosystem enters an exciting new phase with vouchers pre-market and listing update. Introduction. The momentum behind the Wcoin ecosystem is unstoppable, and we're beyond excited to share some groundbreaking updates with our growing community. The launch of the Wcoin vouchers pre-market is officially on the horizon, representing a bold step forward in the evolution of this innovative cryptocurrency. With the listing date now rescheduled for February 25th, we're doubling down on delivering an experience that exceeds expectations. Here's a detailed breakdown of what's ahead for Wcoin, how it benefits you, and why this ecosystem is poised to make waves in the crypto world. The Wcoin vouchers pre-market, a sneak peek at what's coming. The upcoming Wcoin vouchers pre-market is more than just a launch. It's an opportunity for the community to actively engage with Wcoin's ecosystem and unlock its potential. Here's why this is a game changer. Voucher conversion made simple. You'll be able to convert your Wcoin holdings into vouchers effortlessly. These vouchers are designed to offer both flexibility and value, making them a versatile tool for traders and investors alike. Trade on getgems.io. The vouchers open the door to a bustling marketplace on getgems.io, where you can buy, sell, or trade vouchers with fellow community members. This feature not only encourages activity but also creates a thriving ecosystem within Wcoin's broader platform. Vouchers redeemable for $coin. Here's where it gets even more exciting. Once the token generation event, TGE, takes place, you'll be able to redeem your vouchers for $coin tokens. This adds an extra layer of anticipation, as early participants gain a significant advantage in positioning themselves within the ecosystem. Why the vouchers pre-market matters. This pre-market initiative is more than just a feature. It's a strategy designed to build engagement, reward early adopters, and set the stage for a strong token launch. It provides the community with a dynamic and rewarding way to interact with Wcoin even before the official listing. Wcoin listing date update, February 25th. While the original listing date was set for earlier, we've made the strategic decision to postpone the launch to February 25th. Here's why this is good news. Stronger launch conditions. The additional time allows us to ensure that all systems, including the Airdrop, are perfectly aligned for maximum impact. This means a smoother, more exciting launch experience for everyone. Building community anticipation. The postponement also gives the community more time to prepare, participate in the vouchers pre-market, and position themselves to benefit from Wcoin's full launch. Focus on excellence. At Wcoin, we believe in doing things the right way. By taking a little extra time, we can deliver an ecosystem that exceeds expectations in both performance and user experience. Listing price predictions. What could $coin be worth? As the listing date approaches, analysts are already buzzing with predictions about Wcoin's $coin potential valuation. Current estimates suggest that the initial listing price could range between 5 cents and 15 cents. What's driving this optimism? Robust tokenomics. The carefully crafted tokenomics of Wcoin are designed to ensure long-term value and stability, making it an attractive option for both short-term traders and long-term investors. Community support. The growing community of Wcoin enthusiasts is creating organic buzz and demand, further strengthening the token's potential in the market. The airdrop buzz. What's next? One of the most talked about aspects of Wcoin's ecosystem is the upcoming Wcoin airdrop. While the official date for the airdrop remains a mystery, the speculation surrounding it has only added to the excitement. What we know so far. The airdrop is expected to reward early adopters and active participants in the ecosystem. Community members are keeping a close eye on announcements, eager to secure their share of what promises to be one of the most exciting airdrops in recent memory. What this means for you. Now is the perfect time to get involved in the Wcoin ecosystem. Whether you're participating in the Vouchers pre-market or simply keeping an eye on developments, early engagement could yield significant rewards. A vision for the future. Wcoin isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a vision for a more connected, engaged, and empowered community of traders, investors, and enthusiasts. From the Vouchers pre-market to the upcoming airdrop and listing, every step of this journey is designed to deliver value and opportunity. What's next? Get ready for the Vouchers pre-market. Mark your calendar and prepare to participate in this exciting new feature. Stay tuned for updates. Follow Wcoin on social media and subscribe to our updates to be the first to know about airdrop details, listing news, and more. Spread the word, share the excitement with friends, family, and fellow crypto enthusiasts. The more people join the Wcoin ecosystem, the stronger it becomes. The countdown to February 25th is officially on, and the future of Wcoin has never looked brighter. With the launch of the Vouchers pre-market and the anticipation surrounding the listing and airdrop, now is the time to get involved and secure your place in this groundbreaking ecosystem.